Hello students, in this video let us study about median of group data. Before starting the video, if you need offline tuitions, details are given in the description below. Alright, so let us start. Median of grouped data. We have a formula to find median of group data. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by H. What are these terms L, N, CF, F and H? We'll learn using one example. Alright. Monthly consumption of electricity. What is this data about? It's about monthly consumption of electricity. These are units. Okay. And these are the number of houses. Like 4 houses are using 65 to 85 units of electricity per month. 5 houses are using 85 to 105 units of electricity per month and so on. This is the information we need to find the median. Alright. Okay. See, when we are finding the median, it is better we write here less than or up to. Okay. So let us write less than. This is less than symbol. Less than 85. Okay. So how many houses are consuming less than 85 units of electricity? 4 houses. So here in the last column we will write cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. Okay. What is CF? CF is cumulative frequency. Alright. So less than 85 units, how many houses are consuming? 4 houses. Okay. 4 houses. Now by mistake, if I write 65 here, if I write 65, how many houses are consuming less than 65 units? No information is given, right? So we need to take the upper limit. Okay. When we are writing less than here, we need to take the upper limits. So less than 85, less than 105, less than 125, less than 145, less than 165, less than 185, less than 205. Or you can write up to also. Okay. So how many houses are consuming less than 85 units of electricity? 4 houses. And how many houses are consuming less than 105 units of electricity? 5 plus 4, because we need to add this. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. I hope you understood this. See, less than 105 means we should also consider the houses that are using less than 85, isn't it? Because less than 105 means less than 85 will also come in less than 105, isn't it? So we are adding 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is equal to 9. And less than 125, we need to add these 3 numbers, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, or we have already added these 2 numbers and we got 9, right? 9 and 13 we need to add. Okay, so this should be 22. Similarly, 22 and 20, it is 42. Okay, 42 and 14, 56, 56 and 8, 64, 64 and 4, 68. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you add all this, 5, 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4, it should be 68. So this number will be same. Alright. I hope you all understood how we wrote the third and fourth column. Less than 85 upper limits, less than 105, less than 125, 145, 165 and so on, and 4 here, and adding 4 and 5 is 9, 4, 5, 13 is 22, 4, 5, 13 and 20 if you add 42 and so on. Okay. Now L is lower limit of median class. How should we find the median class now? What is median class in this? We know these are the classes, right? But what is a median class? See, what is median? Median is the middle observation, isn't it? Median is the middle observation. So how should we find the median class now? So how many observations are there in total? 68. So half of 68. 68 divided by 2 is equal to how much? It is equal to 34. Okay. So 34th observation should be the median, right? So in our case, here 4 observations are there. Up to here 9 observations are there. Up to here 22 observations are there. Up to here 42 observations are there. So where will the 34th observation be? It will be in this group, right? because up to here 42 observations are there. We need 34th observation. So 34th observation or 34th number will be here, isn't it? So this is our median class. I hope you all understood how to find the median class. Number of observations divided by 2, and where is that number? For example, 68 by 2, 34. Where is 34 falling in cumulative frequency? We need to check that. Okay, monthly comes up, and these are the classes. 125 to 125 is the median class. So L is lower limit of median class, which means L is equal to how much? It is 125. I hope you all understood. N is the number of observations. So N is equal to how much? 68. CF, cumulative frequency of class before the median class. Most of the students will make mistake here and they will end up writing CF as 42, but it is not 42. It is the cumulative frequency above. Okay, CF is 22. CF is equal to 22. Okay, and F is frequency of median class. This is the median class. This is F. So F is equal to how much? It is equal to 20. Okay, finally we have H, size of median class. H. See, median class size is equal to how much? H is equal to 20. 145 minus 125. So it is equal to 20. Let us substitute these numbers in the formula. So median is equal to L plus, what is L? 125 plus N by 2. We have already calculated N by 2. 68 by 2, 34. So it is 34 minus CF. CF is 22 divided by F. What is F? 20 multiplied by H. H is also 20. So this 20 will get cancelled, right? So 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12. So this will be 137. So median of this data is 137. Alright. And remember one thing, median will always be between these numbers 125 to 145 in this problem. Okay, median class is 125 to 145, isn't it? So our answer median will be in this range, in the range of median class. Alright, I hope you understood this. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you need offline tuitions, details are given in the description.